Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can insert a SIM card at the Samsung Galaxy S21. By the way, this works also for the S21 Plus and S21 Ultra. Okay, so first of all, we will need next to the phone this SIM ejection tool, and it's part of the box. There's a little black box again here, and if you turn it, you will have on the other side the SIM ejection tool. Just move it to the top. It would be the best, but may you destroy this thing here, but it doesn't matter. Otherwise, you could use also, of course, the edge of the good old paper clip. Okay, and if you have the phone like this, you will see now down the phone this SIM tray. And a part of the SIM tray is a small hole in there. And for that, we will need the edge of the SIM ejection tool or the paper clip. Please take this one, by the way, at the SIM ejection tool, not the one next to, because this is the microphone and we will need this hole here in the SIM tray. So take now your SIM ejection tool or the edge of the paper clip and enter that hole, press a bit, and the SIM tray will come out. So by the way, you can hear maybe the noises here in the background. Today is a very stormy day, but let's continue here. We can insert two SIM cards on that SIM tray here, one on the top and one below. And which one is the first, you can always recognize in the middle. It's written here, SIM 1 and SIM 2. Okay, so let's start now with the first SIM card. Put it with the contacts on the top and inserted it until you hear the click. So, and missing corner on missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are on the top. Okay, and if you want, you can add now a second SIM card on the other side. Also with the nano size, by the way. So the contacts are on the top. So, and also missing corner on missing corner. And as you can see, the contacts are below as well. Okay, and after, you can put your construction back into the phone like this, so the hole is on the outside. And yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer your question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me something out that would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in know me. Just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And yeah, maybe until next time. Ciao.